Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel, We Educators. Today I'm going to teach you about the continents of the world. There are 7 continents of the world. What is continent? A continent is any of several large landmasses generally identified by convention rather than any strict criteria. Up to 7 geological regions are commonly regarded as continent. In geology, a continent is defined as one of the Earth's major land masses, including both dry land and continental shelves. So, in this world, there are 7 continents. What are these? Asia, Australia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, and Antarctica. These are the 7 continents. So, first of all, I will explain about Asia. Asia is Earth's largest and most populous continent, located primarily in the Earth. In the eastern and northern hemisphere, it shares the continental landmass of Eurasia with the continent of Europe and the continental landmass of Africa with Africa and Europe. Asia covers an area of 4 crore 45,000 lakhs and 79,000 square kilometers. That means about 17 kilometers. About 30% of Earth's total land area and 8.7 of the Earth's total surface area. In general terms, Asia is bounded on the east by the Pacific Ocean and the south by the Indian Ocean, on the north by the Arctic Ocean. Number 2 is Africa. Africa is the world's second largest and second most populous continent after Asia, in both cases at about 30 million kilometers, 11.7 million square miles, including adjacent islands. It covers 6% of Earth's total surface area and 20% of its land area. And it accounts for about 18% of the world's 1.4 billion people of 2021. It accounts for about 18% of the world human population. Africa population is the youngest amongst the all continents. Number 3 is Europe. Europe is landmass, which is either considered a continent in its own right or a subcontinent of Asia, Eurasia, located entirely in the North Hemisphere and mostly in the Eastern Hemisphere. It shares the continental landmass of Afro-Eurasia with both Asia and Africa. It is bordered by the Arctic Ocean or to the north and the Atlantic Ocean to the west, the Mediterranean Sea to the south, Asia to the east. Now, number 4 is America. America, sometimes collectively called America. There is 2 types of Americas. North America is number 4. It's a continent in the northern hemisphere and almost entirely within the western hemisphere. It is bordered to the north by the Arctic Ocean, to the east by the Atlantic Ocean, to the southeast by South America and the Caribbean Sea, and to the west by and south by the Pacific Ocean. Because it is on the North American tectonic plate, Greenland, it is included as a part of North America geographically. North America covers an area of about 24 lakhs 790 2 crores 47 lakhs and 9,000 square kilometers. That is about 16.5% of Earth's land area and about 4.8% of its total surface. North America is the third largest continent by area, following Asia and Africa, and the fourth by population after Asia, Africa, Europe. Now I'm talking about South America. South America is the fifth continent entirely in the Western Hemisphere and the most in the Southern Hemisphere. With a relatively small portion in the North Hemisphere, it can also be described as a southern subregion of the single continent called America. South America is bordered on the west by the Pacific Ocean and on the east and north by the Atlantic Ocean. North America and Caribbean Sea lie on the to the northwest. South America has an area of 1 crore 78 lakh 40,000 square kilometers. Its population as of 2021 has been estimated at more than 434 million. South America ranks fourth in the area after Asia, Africa, North America, and fifth in population after Asia, Africa, Europe, North America. Now I'm talking about number six, Australia. Australia is sixth continent officially. The Commonwealth of Australia is a sovereign country comprising the mainland of the Australian continent, the island of Tasmania, and numerous smaller islands with an area of 7,61,000 and 790,000 kilometers. Australia is the largest country by the area in Oceanic and the world's sixth largest country. Australia is the oldest, flattest, and driest inhabited continent with the least fertile soils. It is a diverse country, and its size gives it a wide variety of landscapes and climates with the desert. Number seven, a lost continent, is Antarctica. Antarctica, the southernmost continent and the site of the South Pole, is a virtually uninhabited ice-covered landmass. Most cruises through the continent visit the Antarctic. Uninhabited ice-covered landmass. Most cruises to the continent visit the Antarctic Peninsula, which stretches towards South America. It's known for the Lemaire Channel and the Paradise Harbor, striking iceberg flanked passageway, and the Port Lockway, a former British research station turned museum. The peninsula, isolated terrain, also shelters rich wildlife, including many penguins. So these are the seven continents of the world. Hope you enjoyed and learned a lot from my this video.